In this video, I'll show you how to display task owners in calendar view in monday.com. Start by opening the board where your tasks are stored. To display task owners inside the calendar view, your board first needs a people column or owner column. If your board doesn't already have one, click the plus button on the far right side of the board and add a people column. Now assign team members to your tasks by clicking inside the people column cells. Once task owners are assigned, go near the top of the board and click the Calendar View tab. If you don't already have a calendar view, click the plus Add View button and select Calendar. The board will now display tasks based on your assigned dates. Look toward the top right area of the calendar view for the settings or gear icon. Click it to open the calendar view settings. Click on Label By and select Owner or People column. This will include the owner of each task in the items. When your item name is too long, the owner may not be visible on the calendar. So what we can do is hide the item name to make the owner more visible. Inside the settings panel, click Additional Settings. Enable the option to hide item names. Once enabled, the item names will be disabled and the owner will be seen on the calendar. This makes it much easier to identify who is responsible for each scheduled task without opening every item individually. Displaying task owners is especially useful for project management, content scheduling, and team coordination workflows. And that's how to display task owners in calendar view in monday.com.